Welcome to Medical Reports in DiVAS 2.8. Today we'll be looking at generating our own customized medical reports. So let's dive into it. We have a session here with a command and a diagnosis. Now we want to export these into a medical report of our own. In order to do that, let's open up the Manage Medical Report templates. This dialog lists all available preset templates that are by default included in DiVAS. But since we want to create our own template, let's create a new template folder. And we name it In-House. The next step is to create an actual medical report template. That's accomplished by clicking on Create Medical Report Template, entering a name for the template, and clicking OK. This will open up an instance of Microsoft Word installed on your system. In the top ribbon bar, click on the Medical Report tab to display specific template creation tools provided by DiVAS. We can now add so-called bookmarks that will later on be filled with information by DiVAS. If we choose Session Hospital Name, for example, DiVAS will later on, once we export a medical report from a session, fill out this bookmark field with the name of the hospital where this session was taken. In this version, we want to address the report to the patient him or herself, so we add a bookmark for the patient's first name and the patient's last name. As we keep on refining our report template, we add more and more bookmarks. As intended initially, let's insert a bookmark for our diagnosis right here. So click on Session again and choose Diagnose. Now all that is missing from our initial intention is a command, which is inserted just the same. Now besides simple bookmarks, we can also add images to our report. For that we use tables. More specifically, we add a table for 2 pictures, which will generate a 2-cells table structure. Then we add a picture bookmark into each cell of the table. A corresponding placeholder image for picture 1 and picture 2 is inserted into the cells. One thing that must not be missing in a report is the date, of course. So let's add a current date in a short version format. Last but not least, we need a greeting formula area. And into this area, we insert the title and the name of the physician who examined the patient. This information is found in the session menu up here as well. There's a lot more bookmarks that you can explore in the ribbon bar above. So let's finish up our medical report template and save it. Now close the Word instance, and we can see we have it now in our in-house folder for our templates right in the Manage Medical Reports dialog. Close this one up and let's use this. First of all, let's choose 2 images that shall be exported to our custom medical report we have just generated on our own. In order to do that, scrub to a certain position on the timeline, choose a frame, and double-click on it to mark it for export. Once that's done, I can preview the marked images down here, right-click to get the context menu, and choose Images to Medical Report. If you're using Advanced User Management, you need to have a permission for that. In the appearing Template Manager, let's select our customly created template and apply our export changes. Eventually, the result will be a medical report based on our custom template with all bookmark fields filled out and all image placeholders accordingly replaced, ready to be printed and archived.